Learn English to Hindi condition words, provided that, as soon as, before in.
Hindi.
Welcome to Conditional Chaos. Hey, you're about to learn some super useful Hindi connectors without falling asleep on your book. We will keep it light, useful, and a little ridiculous. Today you will learn how to say things like provided that, assuming that, in case, as soon as long as, and before in Hindi. Your key phrases are
बशर्ते कि, मान लिया कि, अगर, तो, जैसे ही, जब तक,
and.
से पहले.
There is also one surprise guest, falls, which is
गिरता है.
yes, even grammar chapters sometimes slip on a banana peel. Your mission today. You do not need to memorize everything perfectly on the first try. Just listen, laugh a little, and repeat the Hindi phrases out loud. When you want to say provided that, use
बशर्ते कि,
when you want to say assuming that, use
मान लिया कि,
when you want to say in case, use
अगर, तो,
when you want to say as soon as, use
जैसे ही,
when you want to say as long as, use
जब तक,
when you want to say before, use
से पहले.
and when something falls dramatically from the table because someone talked with their hands too much, use
गिरता है.
the door of conditions. Imagine a magical door that opens only when you use the right connector. Very dramatic, very Bollywood. You stand before a giant golden door. A guard with magnificent eyebrows says, "You may enter." Provided that you say the magic phrase. You reply,
बशर्ते कि,
"Excellent." The door opens 2 centimeters. The guard is clearly paid by the centimeter. Now he says, assuming that you are the chosen learner, what comes next? You answer.
मान लिया कि,
A second door opens, because apparently one dramatic door was not enough. Mini story of a very careful person. Let us meet Ravi, a man so prepared he probably packs snacks for his snacks. Ravi leaves home with an umbrella.
अगर बारिश हो, तो,
He stays dry. That is your in-case structure.
अगर, तो,
He tells his friend, "I will come."
बशर्ते कि,
The bus arrives on time. Then he adds,
मान लिया कि,
"The bus is late, we can still walk." He is calm, prepared, and slightly exhausting. Fast timing, slow comedy. Now let us work with time phrases, because life happens, often too quickly, and sometimes before coffee. As soon as I arrive, I will call you becomes.
जैसे ही मैं पहुंचूंगा, मैं तुम्हें फोन करूंगा.
As long as it does not rain, we will walk becomes.
जब तक बारिश नहीं होती, हम चलेंगे.
Wash your hands before dinner becomes.
रात के खाने से पहले हाथ धो.
Notice the rhythm.
जैसे ही,
Is immediate.
जब तक,
Continues under a condition, and
से पहले.
points to an earlier time. The falling mango incident. Every language lesson deserves one unnecessary but memorable emergency. Here comes the mango. Ravi looks up. A mango.
गिरता है.
From the tree. He shouts, the mango falls. Which in Hindi is simply.
गिरता है.
Then another mango.
गिरता है.
And another. This is no longer grammar practice. This is fruit-based survival. He runs away.
जैसे ही,
The first one drops, but only.
जब तक,
His dignity remains intact. Useful patterns you can steal. Let us make these phrases practical so you can actually use them in conversation instead of only in mango emergencies. I will help you, provided that you tell me the truth. Hindi.
मैं तुम्हारी मदद करूंगा, बशर्ते कि तुम मुझे सच बताओ.
Assuming that he is right, what should we do next? Hindi.
मान लिया कि वो सही है, हमें आगे क्या करना चाहिए?
Call me in case you need help. Hindi.
अगर तुम्हें मदद चाहिए, तो मुझे फोन करना.
As soon as you know, tell me. Hindi.
जैसे ही तुम्हें पता चले, मुझे बताना.
I will support you as long as you try. Hindi idea with the key phrase.
जब तक,
Think before you speak. Hindi. Bolain.
से पहले.
Soko. Tiny dialogue, big drama. Listen to this mini dialogue like it is the final scene of a movie, even though it is mostly about homework. A. Can I go outside? B. Yes.
बशर्ते कि
You finish your homework. A. Fine.
मान लिया कि
I finish it in 10 minutes, can I take a snack too? B. Yes.
अगर तो
You also clean your desk. A. I will leave.
जैसे ही
I am done. B. You may stay outside.
जब तक
It is still light. A. Great. I will come back.
अंधेरा होने से पहले
Narrator. A pencil suddenly.
गिरता है
No one knows why. The tension is unbearable. Memory tricks. Here are a few quick hooks to make the phrases stick in your head like catchy song lyrics. Think of
बशर्ते कि
as the phrase of a serious guard, yes, but only on one condition. Think of
मान लिया कि
as a detective phrase. Let us assume this for a moment. Think of
अगर तो
as a safety plan. If this happens, then that happens. Think of
जैसे ही
as a finger snap, immediate action. Think of
जब तक
as a line that keeps going until a condition changes. Think of
से पहले
as a stop sign placed before the next event. Think of
गिरता है
as literally everything on a messy desk. Quick quiz time. No stress. This is just a friendly brain stretch, not a school ambush. How do you say provided that in Hindi?
बशर्ते कि
How do you say assuming that?
मान लिया कि
How do you say in case, using the if-then pattern?
अगर तो
How do you say as soon as?
जैसे ही
How do you say as long as?
जब तक
How do you say before?
से पहले
And for dramatic kitchen disasters, how do you say falls?
गिरता है
Challenge round. Now you try to build meaning from the phrases. You do not need perfection, just courage and maybe a snack. Say, I will come, provided that it does not rain. Start with
बशर्ते कि
say, assuming that the train is late, we can wait. Start with
मान लिया कि
say, take an umbrella in case it rains. Use
अगर तो
say, call me as soon as you arrive. Use
जैसे ही
say, you can stay as long as you are quiet. Use
जब तक
say, brush your teeth before sleep. Use
सोने से पहले
bonus, the book falls.
किताब गिरता है
For natural gender agreement in real Hindi, you may also hear feminine forms with feminine nouns, but your target word today is
गिरता है
friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just handled some very useful Hindi connectors and survived the falling mango chapter. Today you practiced
बशर्ते कि मान लिया कि अगर तो जैसे ही जब तक से पहले
and.
गिरता है
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, repeat the phrases out loud, and use them in your own tiny daily sentences. You are doing great, and your Hindi gets stronger every time you come back.